So let's talk about basic troubleshooting for a second. Often when you see results in a grid that look kind of funny, like in this case, why is this decimal place out like this? Where's the decimal places for this? Something that just doesn't look quite right. When we do troubleshooting before, I said check the model. The second thing we should do to do basic DAX troubleshooting is to check the data type. So if we click on Edit Queries, and then the query editor comes up, and in sales order details, where we're multiplying unit price times quantity, you can see that these are strings. If instead if I right click and I change the type to like decimal or an integer, in this case, I can see that they were changed incorrectly. So when I pull the change type back, they go back to numeric and currency. If I close and apply, it takes just a second, you can see that now our issues kind of go away here and our order line total. So always check the data type. Anytime you see weird math or something that doesn't quite look right, or you just don't understand what's happening there, confirm that the data type for all the different inputs in a calculated column or a measure are the correct data type, and I bet most of the time your problem will go away. That's a quick, simple fix. Anyway, I hope that helps you.
And finally, this is how you can get a hold of me if you need to. There's my Twitter and my email address, and of course my YouTube channel if you want to subscribe and get more videos on DAX and Power Apps and data engineering and cloud data and other things that interest me. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks. Have a great day.